Guys, so my name is Rajbir. Welcome back to my channel, and I am a teacher by profession, and I am here to talk about few books which I have read personally, guys. And I really want my friends out there, all of you, to you should also experience the books, to read the books, because books are actually very important in our life. And if you want to grow in your life, then books are the only actually, from my own experience I'm talking about. So books have actually changed me a lot. When I was in my college years, education years, as I have talked about it earlier also, I don't have that much of scope, or you can say, uh, means the society, means I wanted to do a lot of things. But because of the influencers and the people around you, they will keep on means demotivating you. So I thought, like, okay, let's see what happens next, what happens. And so I have wasted a lot of time in this. Now when I think about my past, I regret the time why I have not used the time in reading the books. Because when now I have started with the reading habit since last 4 years. So I have noticed the changes in me, and I have actually got a clear perspective, clear goal, clear purpose. So for what I want to do in my life. So guys, you all also, maybe you are free now, or you don't have anything, or you are not getting a chance to do something in your life. I really want to tell you, please start reading a book. So guys, few people, they used to ask me that, why, when everything is available on the internet, why we have to read a book. And even my own family, my own sisters and my own siblings, they used to tell me that, why are you wasting your time in reading the books? You can do something else. Why are you always reading a book? But yeah, guys, I want to share this experience with you all, that when you scroll through the net, you just search a lot of things, you search whatever you want to do, there is everything is available on the internet, I do agree. But according to my experience, when I have means when I used to scroll through the internet, a lot of things I wanted to learn, after a while I used to forget those things. Because internet is actually these days a big platform, everybody can learn from there. But I'm just sharing my experience, guys. So those who are learning, hats off to them, and I really am proud of those people, those who are learning. But for me, guys, I'm a very slow learner, you can say, or it takes time for me to learn things. So when I used to scroll through the internet, and after a while I used to forget what I have means I have searched about. But when I have started reading the book, this book have a huge impact on our brain, guys. You will never forget what you have learned from the book. And this is, I'm talking about from my own experience. So guys, start reading a book. As I say in all my videos, if you are on a, like, you are nowhere in your life right now, so you just start reading a book. Okay, because after once you start reading your reading habits, so don't think like that, after reading book I will be a famous. No, not like that. Just start reading a book first. Start taking the first step. This is the first step in your life if you want to achieve something. And guys, I'm really thankful to God that I have started with this habit of reading. Otherwise, still now in my life, I would be maybe even searching that what I have to do. I would be confused. But after started the reading habit, after reading few good books, I'm talking about the good books, guys. There are a lot of books available on the internet, but I'm talking about the good books, the motivational book, and from some autobiographies of the great people. So you should go and give it a try, and after reading one book you will feel like reading one more. So I really want you all out there to start reading. If I will be able to motivate even a single person to read the book, I will be the happiest one, because I want the people out there to start reading, because I have experienced this from I have experienced these things on my own. So, guys, today the book I'm going to talk about is this Robin Sharma. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So this is written by Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma is my actually you can say I got inspiration from Robin Sharma the most, and also of course from the other readers whose books I have read. So guys, you can, if you don't know about Robin Sharma, you can just go and you can search for search about him, and you can also you can buy the book. There are few there will be few techniques, or you can say that there are few things will be given, there will be few practices which they have talked about to start doing in your life. You can start, guys. You can do, even if you start with one habit which have been explained in the book, I think you will see slowly changes inside of you. Okay, so these are the contents of the book, and when I have started with the book, I really got a little bit, I am a kind of person who wants to just open the book and who wants to just start with the main motive of the book. But it's not like that, guys. The writers, they do know how to write a book. They do know how to start a book. So once you start reading, don't keep patience, guys. Keep patience when you are reading a book. Don't simply just turn around the pages like this. Okay, this is not interesting me. I am not interested by the book. I don't know why I'm reading this book. Don't go for that, guys. So you should take it slowly, okay, and build the interest to read the book. So there are few things given. First thing is, you need to master your mind, you need to follow your purpose, you need to practice kaizen. Kaizen is a kind of rule, Japanese, I think, Japanese rule, maybe I'm not wrong. So you can just go through the book, and you can just go through this. Live with discipline, respect your time, selflessly serve others, embrace the present. So these are the few things given in the book. When you will start reading the book, these all points have been elaborated in the books very precise, very what to say, it has been explained in a very great way. Okay, so guys, you should buy it and you should start the book, because I'm a big fan of Robin Sharma. He have motivated me in many ways. Even if I am, I am teacher, I got this inspiration from these great authors and writers. I'm telling you guys, start reading good books and you will change your life. You will see your life changing, and you will be thankful that you have started reading the books. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you all in my next